Hiccups for Elephant by James Prella. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. Except for the elephant. He had a hiccup. Hic! Chimp woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Hic! Lion, wake up. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water, very, very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Hic! Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10, backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Mouse woke up. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked for Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep. Except for the elephant. Achoo! The end.